In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to the space where you want your planner to live. Choosing the right space at the beginning helps keep your work organized, especially if you use different spaces for personal tasks, team projects, or different areas of responsibility. Once you're in the correct location, click the plus icon beside the space or folder name. From the options that appear, select List. This will give you a clean, flexible structure for organizing your planner. Now, name the list Daily and Weekly Planner, and then click Create List. Giving it a clear name makes it easy to find later and helps separate it from other lists you may already have in your workspace. After the list is created, set up your task statuses. Create 3 simple statuses: To Do, In Progress, and Complete. These are useful because they let you quickly see what still needs attention, what you're actively working on, and what has already been finished. Next, click Add Task and start entering each activity you need to complete. You can add as many tasks as you want here, whether they're work responsibilities, planning items, or recurring routines. Try to keep your task names short and specific so they're easy to understand at a glance. Once your tasks are added, assign a start date and a due date to every task. This is what turns a basic task list into an actual planner. Start dates help you know when something begins, while due dates make deadlines visible and easier to manage. For tasks that happen on a regular basis, set recurring schedules so they repeat daily or weekly as needed. This saves time and helps make sure you don't forget routine responsibilities. After that, add priorities and time estimates to your tasks. Priorities help you focus on what matters most, and time estimates give you a more realistic picture of how much you can actually get done in a day or week. Now click plus View and select Calendar. Name this view Planner and create it. This gives you a visual way to manage your schedule and makes it much easier to see how your tasks are spread across time. In the Calendar view, select the day layout when you want to review your daily schedule. Switch to the week layout whenever you want a broader view of your upcoming plans. Finally, drag your tasks to the required dates and times. This allows you to build a schedule that's both organized and easy to adjust as things change. Thanks for watching.